What's going on, beautiful people? We be rising in nature every day. It's a beautiful day here. We got the bike out. Wow. Hope you guys get a chance to get outside when you can, when you have the time. It's just amazing. But today I wanted to talk about being the master of your mind and how can you do it. Back in 2016, I had a major awakening, massive awakening. I actually started my channel November of 2016. I realized at that time that your thoughts are so powerful. Your mind is so powerful. What you think you can become, you can manifest, and you are the master, and you want to be the master of your mind. How can you do that? Well, I'm going to give a short video today. There's going to be a longer one coming out. But basically, you want to pay attention to your senses, first of all. There's a lot of negative news out there, right? There's a lot on the viruses, war, and it can be a lot of doom and gloom, negativity for people. So it's important to watch what you're focusing on. It's important to analyze all of your senses. Where are your eyes focusing on every day? If it's focusing on the TV, it's time to turn off the news and turn on yourself. Go within. Spend some time out in nature, breathing in fresh air. It's about changing your focus, changing your environment as well. Where are you placing yourself every day? Because that's what you're going to absorb. Unless you're super strong and you're able to, be like Buddha in that meditative position and not let anything externally affect you. It takes a lot to learn to master that, which can be done. So, what are you putting your eyes on every day? What are you tuning into? What are you listening to? See, I can pay attention to what's going on and listen to the doom and gloom, but for me it's all about the bloom. It's all about, we can acknowledge what's going on and not be ignorant, but we can be the change you wish to see in the world. We can get sometimes down and lost in the doom and gloom, and that's why you want to change your focus, change your environment, get outside and breathe some fresh air. Also, your other sense, what are you eating every day? You want to make sure that you're getting in lots of live enzymes, adding in some raw foods now and then, like berries, hit from the sun, leafy greens, nuts and seeds that contain magnesium, helps with, a lot of people have anxiety. Magnesium helps to calm their nervous system. The adrenal glands, very important. So what are you eating every day? Making sure you're getting in fresh foods, whole foods. Your second brain is your gut, and that is connected to your brain. So if you are eating lots of chemical foods, processed foods, fast foods, that's going to affect not only your brain, but all of your systems, all of your organs. When you get outside and get some exercise, you are strengthening all of your organs, your lungs, your heart, your circulatory system. You're getting your blood moving, all very important. It's important to exercise. That's one thing they have found. I've recently read, right now I'm in a course, Aging, and a lot of the longest living cultures are always moving, exercising. We're in this, I'm making this video right now, using my phone, but it's sometimes important to turn off technology, take a break from it. Turn off the news, turn off the TV, turn off the video games, and go outside. Connect with nature. And also, it's important for connection, human touch. That's another sense that we have, very important. There's a story about these two twins. They were born prematurely, and they were separated in separate incubators. Well, the one twin was not doing so well. Her heart rate was quite low. The doctors didn't know what to do. One of the nurses actually, named Grace, said, you know what, why don't we put them both together in the same incubator? Well, they noticed the twin started getting her heart rate back. She started doing phenomenally well. And her sister was wrapping her arms around her. Just goes to show the power of connection, how important it is for human connection to be hugged. The last few years with the pandemic, a lot of people were in isolation, alone. We need connection. We are social beings, social creatures. Even the introverts need hugs. Hugging is so important. Touching is so important. So even if you hug yourself, just give yourself a good bear hug. Hug a tree if you need to. Touch a tree. Connection, very important. Reach out to people if you need to talk to somebody. And most importantly, one of the sixth sense, it's not talked about enough, is, some people call it your intuition, your higher self, your greater self. I call it the spirit. Connecting back with the spirit of yourself. Finding purpose. What is it that brings you happiness, joy? Making that your life. Whether it's just offering whatever you can offer to people this time of year, giving. Even if you don't have much, it's just even opening your ears and listening to someone, hearing them out, taking the time to listen to others, and just giving them a hug, a smile, can go so far, can make such a difference in someone's life. And a lot of times people are not the reason why they are in a low state, have negative thoughts, is because if you look at all of our senses, it's all about change. Changing what you're focusing on, changing the environment that you're in, changing the food that you're eating, changing what you're listening to. You have to print out a list of affirmations that you have to say if you have low confidence. Read that every day. Start your day off with gratitude. Every day is a gift. Time is precious. We don't know how much time each one of us has, but let's make the best of it. Let's cherish time and make memories. Make every moment count. Sometimes it just starts with getting your shoes on and going for a walk. If you are in a low state right now, if you're not feeling very well, it's about changing what you're doing. Definition of insanity, doing the same thing over and over, expecting different results. So we have to change what we're listening to, change what our eyes are focusing on, change the environment that we're in, change what we're eating, make connections, start connecting with people, offering even just service, helping people any way that you can, makes you feel good. And connecting back with your true spirit. And when you do that, you'll be rising, we'll all be rising, and we're all going to work towards making this planet a healthier, happier planet for the next generations to come. Just like these trees. These trees have been here for a long time, and we've taken care of nature. When we take care of nature, we take care of ourselves, right? So take care of yourself. You deserve it. You deserve happiness, and you deserve connection. So let me know what you're doing to connect with people. Let me know what you're doing for yourself to make yourself happy. What are you doing to change how you feel? Share that down below. It's going to help other people. When you share your tips and tricks, other people are going to get ideas. That's the whole point of this, my channel that I started, Be Rising. It's about community, helping each other, connecting with each other, sharing ideas so that we can all become better versions of ourselves. And sharing is caring, as corny as that is, but it's so helpful just to share some words of wisdom, if you can, down below in the comment section. Other people will be very grateful for that. Whatever you can do to give, even just with your words. The birds and the bees are out here. We're all having fun. We're all mastering our minds and getting connected with spirit. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope this video helps you out. And may the blessings be. One love.